Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up drop shipping in Wix. So for this, I am here on wix.com and I'm on my dashboard. Now here on left side, we have the apps option. Click on app market and here search for drop shipping and press enter. So you will find multiple apps here like dropshipping of AliExpress, then easy Immortify, automatic dropshipping, modellist dropshipping. So you can go with the one that you are looking for. So I will go with this one here. Open the app and click on add to site. So once you click on add to site, now click on agree and add. And once it is added, then you can set up this for your website. So this is how you can add dropshipping in Wix. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.